friends, how are you? By blessings of the God, you are doing well. Once again, I am welcoming to all of you to Dr. A B JENA classes, and today we are going to very interesting and important contents, and this is related to the GST and indirect tax. So this content and discussion will be very useful and fruitful, not only from the academic point of view but also from the exemption point of view. On the demand of my dear students, so I have prepared this video lecture, so I am 100% hopeful so you will get the benefits out of this discussion. So without delay we will start our discussion. Okay, kindly don't skip this video from first to last. You see, just you spare 15 to 20 minutes, you will know more and more, and you will be comfortable in your exemption as well as in your competitive exemption. And this discussion will be very useful and fruitful. What exactly I have already told you, not only from the exemption point of view but also from the competitive exemption point of view, as well as those who are preparing for the UGC NET, JRF, as well as lectureship exemptions. So dear friends, without delay we will start our interesting and the wonderful academic journey. Okay, dear friends, in this lecture we will discuss one by one the 30 MCQs on GST and income in indirect tax. And as for the NEP as well as the CBCS syllabus pattern, now you will get the multiple MCQs in the paper GST and indirect tax. And UGC has also given the direction, as well as the state governments in India. They have also adopted the ANEP new educational policy, as well as the CBCS choice based credit system in the course curriculum. Okay, dear friends, without delay we will start one by one. So first one, MCQ GST. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. Dear friends, again I am repeating, GST stands for Goods and Services Tax, was introduced in India with effective from option A 1st January 2017, option B 1st April 2017, option C 1st June 2017, and last D option is 1st July 2017. So dear friends, so D is the right answer, right option for this MCQ. So GST was implemented in India with effect from 1st July 2017. Okay. Second one, interesting MCQ. GST is what kind of a tax? Option A, direct tax. Option B, indirect tax. C, income tax. D, value added tax. So option B. So GST is a indirect tax. So option B is the right option. Yes, dear friends. So next one, MCQ. Which of the following tax has been abolished by GST? Option A, service tax. Option B, income tax. Option C, wealth tax. Option D, corporate tax. Dear friends, so right option will be A. Right option will be A. It's a service tax. So service tax has been abolished by GST. So next one, MCQ. It's GST aims to, option A, rise the price of foreign goods. B, rise the price of luxury goods. C, lower the price of goods everyday use. Option D, avoid the repeated payment tax from raw material stage to the final product, and thus reduce the burden of tax on the final products. Dear friends, option D is the right answer for this MCQ. So GST aims to avoid the repeated payment of tax from raw material stage to the final product, and thus reduce the burden of tax on the final product. Yes. Next one MCQ. It's very vital. Uh, and you may get the question frequently in your exemption. The incident of tax on tax is called option A tax cascading, option B tax pyramiding, C tax evasion, then last option indirect tax. So right option is tax cascading. The incident of tax on tax is called tax cascading. Next one MCQ. The basic objective of taxation is option A economic development, option B regulatory objectives, option C raising revenue, D all the above. Dear friends, the right option will be D all the above. The basic objective of taxation is economic development as well as regulatory objectives as well as raising a revenue, all the above. Yes. Next one MCQ. Tax burden which is shifted to others. Option A direct tax, option B indirect tax, option C both A and B, D none of the above. So the right option is B. So right option is B. So the tax burden which is shifted to others, it's indirect tax. Yes. Due date of filing the monthly returns for normal taxpayer, whether option A 10th of next month, 15th of next month, 20th of next month, option D 25th of next month. So option C is the right answer. So 20th of next month. So the due date of filing for monthly returns for the normal taxpayer is the option C. It's 20th of next month. So C is the right option. Dear friends, so next one MCQ. The due date of filing the normal annual returns. Normal annual returns, option A 1st December of next FY, it's the financial year, 31st December of next financial year, 31st March of next financial year, 1st April of next financial year. So option B is the right option for this MCQ. So due date of filing of annual returns is that is the 31st December of next financial year. So next one MCQ. Which of the following goods will not be covered under the GST bill? It's a very vital question, dear friends. Once again I am repeating, which of the following goods will not be covered under the GST bill? Whether cooking gas, petrol, option C liquor, all the above. So D is the right answer, right option for this MCQ. So cooking gas will not be covered under the GST bill. Petrol also will not be covered under the GST bill. Liquor will also not be covered under the GST bill. So the right option is D. Dear friends, you will get this question frequently. Yes. Next one. All of us know, more or less we know. Next one MCQ. The highest GST rate. Highest GST rate applicable is whether it's option A 50%, B 18%, C 28%, D 30%. So right option is that is the C. It's 28%. Dear friends. Then next one MCQ is that is UTGST, Union Territory Goods and Services Tax, is applicable when option A sold from Union Territory. Option B, goods are purchased by central government. Option C, sold from one union territory to another union territory. D, there is the interstate supply. So the right option is A. Right option is A. So UTGST is applicable when the goods sold from union territory. Next one MCQ. Which of the following tax is not subsumed in GST? First one is that is option A VAT. VAT stands for value added tax. B it's stamp duty. C entry tax. D entertainment tax. Dear friends, the right option is the stamp duty. So B is the right answer or right option for this MCQ. Which of the following tax is not subsumed in GST? The stamp duty. So next one MCQ. The chairman of GST Council. Chairman of GST Council is whether option A President of India, B Prime Minister of India, C Union Home Minister, D Union Finance Minister. So dear friends, so right option is D. So D is the right option or right answer for this MCQ. So chairman of GST Council is the Union Finance Minister, Government of India. So next one MCQ, it's a goods and services tax identification number, or it's a GST IN has how many digits? Option A 9 digits, option B 10 digits, option C 15 digits, option D 20 digits. So the right option is the C for this MCQ. So GST IN has how many number? 15 digits. Dear friends, so next one MCQ is dash is leviable within the state only, whether it's A SGST, B CGST, D UTGST, both SGST and CGST. So the right option will be A. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So states state goods and services tax SGST is leviable within the state only. So right option is A. So dear friends, so next one MCQ also very vital. Dash is levied on alcohol purchases in some states even now, whether option A SGST, CGST Central Goods and Services Tax, C UTGST, D VAT. Oh, the right option is the D. So it's a VAT. Right option is a VAT, and VAT stands for value added tax. So VAT is levied. So VAT is levied on alcohol purchases in some states even now. So the option is D. Yes. Next one MCQ. It's also very vital with regard to the the GST refund applicable is made on in which form? So these are the form. So GST RFD 1, GST RFD 2, option C GST RFD 3, GST RFD 4. So the right option is A, that is GST RFD 01 is applicable for refund. So next one MCQ, dear friends, time limit for refund order is option A 30 days from the date of receipt of application, option B 40 days from date of receipt application, option C 60 days from the date of receipt of application, option D 90 days from the date of receipt application. So dear friends, so C is the right answer, right option to this MCQ. Okay, so time limit for refund order is that is the 60 days from the date of receipt application. Next one MCQ, the tax invoice must be issued by whom? Tax invoice must be issued by option A every supplier, B every taxpayer, option C registered person not paying the tax under the composition scheme, option D all of the above. So the right option is C. So right option is C. So tax invoice must be issued a registered person not paying the tax under the composition C. Then next MCQ, it's vital. Dash can be used, or what can be used to make any payment on account of GST? Option A electronic cash ledger, option B electronic credit ledger, option C electronic liability register, option D all the above. So the right option is A, dear friends. So right option is electronic cash ledger can be used to make any payment on account of GST. So next one MCQ, it's also very vital. All the MCQs in our today's discussion, so these are very vital and important, not only from the academic point of view but also from the non-academic point of view. So any business in normal category states that supplies the services with a turnover exceeding how much has to get registered under GST. Option A rupees 20 lakhs, option B rupees 30 lakhs, option C rupees 40 lakhs, option D rupees 50 lakhs. So the right option is A. So 20 lakhs. Okay. The any business normal category status supplies of services with turnover exceeding 20 lakhs has to get the registration under GST Act. Okay, dear friends. So you have to remember that is the 20 lakhs is the right answer or right option for this MCQ. Yes. Next one MCQ. What is the punishment of tax evaded exceeding rupees 5 crore in GST law? Option A 6 months, option B 1 year, option C 3 years, option D 5 years. So D is the right answer, right option for this MCQ, dear friends. So 5 years. Okay, so there will be the 5 years punishment, the tax evaded exceeding rupees 5 crore in GST law. Okay, dear friends. Next one MCQ. Participants of GST ecosystem include A. Taxpayers, option B. Tax officials, option C. Tax professionals, D. All the above. So, dear friends, the correct option, right option is A for this MCQ is D. Or the participants, the taxpayers are participants, tax officials are the participants, tax professionals are the participants for or GST ecosystem. Okay. So next one MCQ 26 dash or what is a tax imposed on imports and exports of goods, whether it's number 1 excise tax, B service tax, C custom duty, then D GST. So right option will be C, that is the custom duty is a tax imposed on imports and exports of goods. So next one MCQ, the goods and services tax network GSTN performs the what types of activities? First one is that is facilitating the registration. Second one, returning the package to the federal and state governments GST. So GST calculation and settlement. D, it's the all the above. So dear friends, so D is the right answer. So goods and services tax network performs, okay, facilitating the registration as well as returning the package to the federal and state government, GST calculation and settlement. So the right option will be, that is the D. Okay. So dear friends, so next one MCQ, it's a GST is a what system? A single point system, B multi-point tax, C regressive tax, D none of these. So dear friends, so B is the right answer or right option for this MCQ. So GST is a multi-point tax. Okay. Next one MCQ, under GST law, the tax rates are determined by whom? Number A, central government, option B, state government, option C, state government with the consultation with the state governments. Last it's the option is GST council. So dear friends, so D is the right option, right answer for this MCQ. So GST council. Okay. So under the GST law, the tax rates are determined by the GST council. Yes. Integrated goods and services tax, that is the IGST Act, is applicable all the states in India, all the states, all the union territories. Option C, whole of India, all the states except Jammu and Kashmir. So the right option is the C. Okay. IGST Act is applicable the whole of India. So option C is the right option. Okay, last but not the least, the important MCQ is tax on demerit goods. So demerit goods, dear friend, what is the demerit goods? The goods which are unhealthy, to a human being. Okay, or it is harmful to the society. Demerit goods are harmful to the society is called, whether a tax on demerit goods is called option A double tax, option B luxury tax, option C sin tax, option D, demerit tax. So option C is the right option, right answer for this MCQ. So sin tax. So tax on demerit goods is called what? The sin tax. So dear friends, so these are all about today's discussion. So I am hopeful dear friends, you have learned a lot. So I am requesting all of you to kindly just to give your valuable comments and suggestion with regard to if any gap or mismatch in today's discussion. So once again I am requesting to all of you, kindly you subscribe this my channel, forward also like this discussion. So once again thanks a lot to all of you. So I am waiting your valuable comments, and your suggestions, your comments are most welcome for the next video for the better improvement or further improvement. Once again thanks a lot to all of you.